We're going to start off by clearing the rifle. We do this by opening the magazine assembly. Any ammo that is currently in the magazine will drop down. You also pull back the bolt a few times, clearing the chamber of any ammunition. After clearing the rifle, we're going to begin disassembling it by taking off the receiver cover. Make sure the bolt is uncocked, and then take the takedown lever from a horizontal position into a vertical position. You can begin pulling out the lever until it stops. After the takedown lever is pulled out as far as it can go, you can then pull back on the receiver cover, taking it off. Now we can take out the bolt carrier and the bolt. Just pull back on the bolt carrier. The bolt will come with it. Now that the bolt carrier and bolt are out, flip the rifle over to begin taking out the trigger assembly. Set the safety in the on position first. Then depress the trigger release button, which is found behind the trigger assembly. It does take a bit of pressure to do this, so you may need a hammer. The magazine assembly can now be pulled out. Now you can separate the receiver and the barrel from the stock. To do this, just pull the receiver away from the stock. Now we can remove the gas tube and piston. Move the gas tube release latch from a horizontal position into a vertical position. You may need to play with it a little bit as you're pulling up the tube in order to get it to release. That about covers the SKS. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, do whatever.